Our responsibility is not to think about the impact of our words. Our responsibility is to say what is right. Our responsibility is not to think about how this will transition into becoming complete. Our responsibility is to know what we want to do and why we want to do it. The rest is in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's a what, there's a why, and there's a how. There's a what, a why, and a how. The what is our responsibility. I want to protect Yusuf. Why? Because my father loves him. How? I don't know. I don't know how it's going to happen. Because the how is not our response. If we start limiting ourselves based upon how we get things done, then we are removing Allah's presence in our amal. We are saying, oh Allah, I don't need you. I know how to do this myself. I can take care of this. I know how to do it. You know the people of the cave, Ashabul Kahf? The people, 7 sleepers of the cave? Do you think they thought that they will sleep for 309 years? They knew what they wanted to do, which was what? Protect their iman. Why? Because they believed in the oneness of Allah. Allah made the how the easiest thing a person could do, which is literally what? Sleep. The best way to remove stress is what? Just knock out and sleep. They slept for 309 years and woke up as heroes, never experiencing any trauma and difficulty, because they did not limit their actions because of how we will get it done. They understood that the how is in the hands of Allah. Sometimes we're saying that I want my child or my son or my daughter to become this, but I don't know how they're going to do it. That is Allah's responsibility. Our responsibility is to ask for it. We seek dua and we ask for things not based upon our limited abilities. We ask based upon Allah's unlimited ability. That Allah, you take care of it. I don't know how it's going to happen, but you manage it because I'm asking you for it. That's what this brother did. He stood up even though he's one brother and the rest of them are 10. And they could have just killed him. But he still said what he was supposed to say. And because of him standing up, Allah allowed Yusuf to survive and become the king of Misr. Never underestimate one person's statement. We don't create the impact of our words. Allah creates the impact.